Oh shit. Okay.
Now we go jump up. Oh my god. Okay, we're too high.
Speed run,
You ready?
guys. Go.
Alright, 3, 2, okay, speed running. Let's go. Nah. I'm dead. FP, pull me.
P.
Yo, pull me.
We are, bro. We are. He is stuck down there. Oh no, guys, don't fall. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay, we good. No, bro, what are you guys doing?
Alright, 3,
Alright, let's go. 3, 2,
1, go.
Yeah.
Bro, speed run. Go. Go.
Break the system. Oh fuck! Don't fall! Somebody pull!
Pull.
We good. Okay, speed run.
Go.
Speed run.
This fastest game.
Come.
Oh no.
We good. Everyone's good.
Good. Go.
We all good. Alright, okay.
Okay.
Oh, jump!
We can run.
Jump here, guys!
Oh shit. What is this?
Oh fuck! Jump! No, I'm good. Jump! Oh my god! What are you guys doing? No! You land on the thing. Land on the platform. Oh, perfect! Oh my god! Thank God.
The fuck even? Oh my, thank God, bro.
No, at least we didn't go all the way down.
How long have you been climbing? Like 5 hours?
Come.
Come on.
Come right. Here. To jump here. We have to go on. Oh
Trampoline!
no.
Yo,
Pull me.
Trampoline! Let's go.
Pull me,
Oh
pull
shit,
me.
it's falling, guys.
We got you.
Thank you. We have to jump together, okay? 3, 2. This one.
Bro, jump together, guys! What the fuck are you guys doing?
Reset.
Escape.
Oh, thank God.
Not here.
We're dead.
Oh my god.
Oh, escape.
2 together.
3,
Okay?
2, 1, go.
Someone's behind.
Oh shit, I'm still there.
No, it's
We
okay.
made it, we
We good.
Alright, go.
Jump. Jump on it together.
Ah!
Jump. There's one in the front. There's one more. Okay? So here, okay. Wait, here what you have to do is like this is like a. Wait, you have to hold this like this.
How do you hold it?
Yeah, that's it.
Like this, like this.
Hold the space.
How do you hold it?
What now? Where do I
Okay.
He's
go?
holding. Just keep holding.
I got this together and carry you fuckers. You liabilities, man, you guys are. मैं हूँ एक उड़ता robot. Dore. Where are we going, bro? Where the fuck are we going?
Wait. A bit more high.
Into the mountains. Let's go. Dore.
Every 1,000 meters, the map changes. So here you can drive a car. It'll drop.
Whoa, what? I'm driving.
Yeah.
I'm driving. Oh, what the fuck? I'm driving. Let's go. Oh, sorry. Okay. Who's driving?
Do you want to drive?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Clicky.
Let's go off the road.
The controls are difficult. Go slow.
Oh, shut the fuck up, woman. I drive better than anyone. I'm blur nose here.
Go.
You don't even know, woman. What do you want about?
Go fast. Oh my god.
Yeah, I do. Woohoo, shit. Woohoo.
See and go down. Oh my god. What? That's it. You have to get down here.
What? That's all, bro. Come on, bro.
Okay, so what you have to do here is like, wait, I'll come here, actually. Wait for this box to come.
Ready?
Come.
No, wait. Come friend.
Alright, 3, 2.
No, not now. Oh my fucking god.
Okay, jump. Are you kidding me?
already down.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Pull it. I got it.
Alright, we good.
Jump
We
forward.
good.
In front? One more?
Back.
Behind?
One
One last. Forward.
Go.
Okay, we good. Let's go.
Easy.
Now what?
Now
If
what?
you go on top of this, wait, I'll show you.
Follow me, guys. I got this. Follow me.
Okay, you're not even waiting.
Wait,
You're not
oh
moving
my god.
Fast, bro.
Bro, what is
There's no
happening?
point.
You're all down. The fuck? Come. Follow me.
Oh my god.
Wait, we have to get Monica on top.
Oh my god. Momo, man.
You should jump on this.
Jump.
Jump on this. Pull him.
Pull him
Pull
up.
me, guys.
Okay.
Come on.
Go.
Jump this. Yeah.
You don't have to jump that. We can jump anything. Bro.
Oh my god.
Pull.
Yo, guys.
Pull. No. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait.
Where are we supposed to go?
Wait. Here, this
To the
side.
right. To the right.
3,
Go. 3,
2,
2,
1.
1, go. Keep running.
Let's
Go.
go.
Speed run. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh shit! Why do you kiss this?
Nah, you guys are. You guys
cannot-
are
we cannot
Oh
trolling.
see.
shit!
It doesn't
We got this.
Monica, you have to pull us.
Monica can't. It's hard.
Momo, just pull us hard. Just pull us. Monica can't. Yeah.
I mean, no,
Nah,
it's
she's
hard
strong,
for
she's
any
strong,
single
come on.
player to pull.
No, what?
No, it's
Escape,
actually
escape.
hard. It slips. When you're pulling, right, it slips because we're heavier below.
Momo press escape.
Okay, come on.
Alright. Hold on. Let
Come
me
this side,
lead
come
this.
this side.
Okay. 3,
Come this side,
2,
PP. Come this side.
1, go.
Are you kidding me?
We have
Guys,
to
you all
jump
just-
together. We have to jump together.
Yeah. One by
Let's
one,
jump
one by
together.
one.
Okay. Let's jump together. 3, 2.
Wait.
Bro, why do you say wait after 3?
What are we waiting for?
Bro.
Stop!
What are
Why
you
are you
waiting for?
jumping? Wait.
Why? Oh my god. You
Let
guys are
those
pulling me.
below
with
come
your-
on top first.
Pull me.
PP, come up. Fucking pull him, guy. How heavy is he?
Guys, what the fuck? Are you guys that weak? Okay,
We're
thank
not
you.
having
3,
an option. Okay,
2,
wait. Let him
1,
get up.
go. Oh, he's up, bro. He's up. Hey,
Oh,
what are you guys doing? Oh, shit.
don't overjump,
Pull.
Oh, we're good.
Pull. We got this. Oh, shit.
Bro, Monica, you're falling off as well?
I know, bro. Getting pulled down by you fat fuck, bro.
Bro, I'm
Escape.
Yeah.
Okay,
that's what I'm
fine.
saying. Don't fucking keep jumping. Come.
Okay, we stay there, okay?
3,
3.
1,
3, 2,
jump.
1, jump. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, jump.
Yeah,
3.
nice.
Oh,
3,
shit.
2,
Hold on. No. 3, 2, 1.
Nah, bro, you've ruined the rhythm.
3,
No.
2, 1, jump. 3, 2, 1, jump. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait. There's one down.
Perfect.
There's one down.
Who's down? 3, 2, 1, go.
Watch, look for everybody first. Don't keep going.
Speed run. Go.
There's no point of speed running when one.
Oh my god.
Don't go down, bro. How hard is this? Don't go down. I got you guys. I'll pull out of you. Go. So 3,
Wait.
Wait,
let me
him
pull
down.
blood.
go. Stop saying wait. Everyone's up. Why do you say wait?
No, PP was down.
Wait, was
Is he
that?
down? No, he wasn't, bro. Blur is just blind. Now I'm down, guys.
Pull him up.
Wait.
Okay.
I got you.
1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, wait. Whoa. Where are we going?
Here, correct.
Okay.
Go. Speed run. Go.
Okay. What are we seeing? Where?
Oh shit, go. Oh no.
This is what could happen if you speed run.
Just pull.
Wait, what is
This will not
happening?
become a speed run because
We cannot pull, bro. A single person
we
cannot
got
pull.
this. Oh shit, okay, fuck. Shit.
Momo,
Okay, escape. Fall off.
No, why? How
No,
much?
fall off.
Bro. Reset. Suicide, guys, suicide. This is what life is going to.
You're not gonna die though. You're gonna start.
Actually,
Don't
3,
speed
2,
run.
1,
Jump.
go.
Jump together.
3,
Jump
2,
left.
1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Nice.
Go. Easy. What is this?
Basically, what happens is you have to stand on this. You see all the bricks in front of you, right? All
Yes.
these are gonna be there. Now we all have to jump together. So after a while, what happens is now these bricks will vanish. Now look.
Okay, got it.
Get off the button. Get off
We
the
got
button.
it.
Get off the button first. We'll let the bricks vanish first. Then we'll click on it and run. Okay,
Whoa,
so
whoa,
now
what
the
the
last
fuck?
person. Death is my bitch. Go on that. Run. Come. Fast.
Go, run. Speed run. Jump, guys, jump. Don't climb. Just jump. Don't climb. Don't press shift. Don't press shift. Just go
Someone's
there.
down.
Guys.
Series.
I got you.
Oh shit, bro. It's so
Full
close.
One, come up.
Nice.
Mama, we got
Nice.
you. Don't worry. Right. 3, left side, guys. Left side. 3, 2, 1.
Wait.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Easy. The fuck is this now?
Oh my god.
We have to stand on this.
Pull us up.
Why are you all falling down, Bob? What are you guys fucking doing? Alright, what the fuck happened? It went away without us. What the fuck?
It's gonna come back. You have to wait now. Yeah, you just have to stand, don't jump.
This
So basically,
concept is so small.
basically after every 900 meters or 1000 meters, you get a new map. Yeah, like the entire world changes.
Go.
Come. First, all of you come.
This is Monica. Guys.
Mon, come up. We got you.
Hey, Monica. Hey,
Okay, we don't got you, never mind.
Monica.
Good luck coming up.
Monica. Hey, Monica. Hey.
Yeah, good luck coming up.
This is where the game gonna start. Wait, how is she gonna?
Alright, let's leave. She's gonna get crushed. Oh shit.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Skinny as
Follow me,
fuck.
guys. Follow me. Who the fuck is jumping? This best shift and run.
You have to go underwater now.
Oh.
Whoa, that's beautiful. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Come.
I am under the water. It's so cool, bro, for real. Whoa. That reminds me of Doom, bro.
Stand on this.
TP, bro, don't fall down. This is so gay, guys. An awkward moment in the lift, yeah? Oh shit. Go. Speed run.
Let's go. Oh,
PP,
okay.
man, what the fuck is ruining my speed run board?
So what if do here is come here. You have to jump on this.
Yo, wait, guys.
So they're gonna
Okay.
be these green color buttons. You have to click on all of them. Come here, Roy. Come here. Leave that.
Okay.
Come here. You have to go.
Above, blood here, up
No,
here,
we
up
cannot
here,
go
up
from
here.
there. We cannot go from there.
I'm sure we can. Come.
We all have to be together. Come together. The last
That's what I
person has to
fucking
come.
said.
No, we cannot at all. Right. Come.
You can, bro. You're fucking wrong, bro. Just come.
Okay. Jump.
Alright.
Jump here. Jump there. Nice. There's another
Now
button
what?
below. Come here. Nice. That's it. Now the door will open.
Speed run.
Here, okay. So here, two people stick to the wall and two people don't do anything. Like, okay, now that's it. Don't hold the chains. Come
Monica,
left, come
Monica,
left.
hold on.
Monica, come. Go.
Under my ass, yeah. Hold on. 3, 2,
Go.
go. Monica, come. Oh shit, Monica. Oh, hold on.
So wait. Don't do anything. I'll tell you what.
Go.
Leave. You guys leave. I got this.
Monica.
Just leave everything. Jump. Just click jump.
Easy, Monica. Go.
You're more resilient than I anticipated. But don't harbor any illusion.
Wait. 3, 2, 1, go.
Merely a warm-up.
Oh, I slipped, guys.
Before realizing
Wait.
your ineptitude.
Fuckers, wait.
Easy. Don't wait, guys. Speed run.
Good luck.
Now what?
Okay, so this is a bit difficult. You have to jump together. Wait. Go on top of this. Come together. There's gonna come one on the right, okay? You have to jump. Can you see this one coming on the right? You have to jump
3,
there, okay?
2, 1, go.
Nice. Now you'll
now
get this
what?
laser light, okay?
Yeah.
You have to jump over this. And
3,
then there'll be another
2,
one on the right.
1, jump.
You have to jump right.
Dumbass. Oh shit, bro. What happened there? Whoa, my mom, man, I'm not doing this again. Fuck's
Wait,
sake, bro. I'm not
this
counting,
again?
but I'm tired of counting. Just believe in yourself, guys. No counting is go. Every man for himself.
Stand first.
Come back and jump. Don't go front and jump. Come back and jump. Yeah. Easy.
3, 2, 1, go.
No countdown, guys. Fuck the counter. Bro, go roads, bro. G-roads.
Yeah, after this. Game is fun, right?
It is, bro.
There are also two options.
It's more
like-
fun when you play with the right people, you know. So you speed run, go, go, go. Wait,
No, jump, now jump.
Speed run, go,
Alright,
go,
come
go,
on.
go, go, speed run.
Come down. Go slow, or else we have to do this all again.
Speed run. 3.
No,
2,
don't
1,
really
go.
want to speed run. It's no point of doing it then.
What's the point of fun, bro? It's a fun game, bro. So you can have fun, man.
Have fun by doing it properly. Oh my
Oh
god.
my- oh my God.
Don't fag it, bro.
I'm
Fucking
sorry.
slow runners, speed runners never fall down, bro.
Bro, they
That's why you
pushed me, man.
I did not fail first. Someone else fell first.
Bro, you
Oh,
fell down.
speed run, guys. 3, 2, 1. For fuck's sake, guys. Right. Breathe. Come back.
I wanted to come.
I got you, guys. I got you.